How to change green screen background in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora to edit videos and photos and now wondering on how to change the background of the green screen effect, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the background on the green screen or change it, you need to add the green screen effect first of all. Now tap on to video timeline just right here. Then scroll to your right and tap on to smart cutout. Then tap on to chroma key right here. So tap on it. Now just move or adjust this circle. Drag this to select color just like this. And now you can see it is now changing. Now choose the part where you want to add the green screen effect, just like this. After that, tap onto the check mark. Again, tap onto check mark here. Now to change the background, tap onto this arrow right here. Then here you can find the background option. Now select it. Then tap onto style right here. Now choose one photo from the albums, just like this, and tap on to as canvas. And now you can see it has been changed. Then tap on to the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can change the green screen background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.